Hey guys, it's Viv with Stitches and Seams, and Sue tagged me of Slow So Sue in the New Year's resolutions, and I'm just now getting around to doing it. Sorry that it's taken so long. So there's 5 questions that a girl called Boz, and it's Candy of Cotton by Candy came up with. And so I have printed the questions off, and I'm just going to read them off and answer them to the best of my ability. So the first question is, what was your favorite make of 2017 and why? Oh man, I don't know. I think I might be like Natita with this one and not be able to just pick one. I think the favorite thing that I made, no, that was in 2016. Ooh. Jack's Jetland pants. I really liked those a lot. Those came out so great, and each successive pair got better and better, so really liked those. I'm trying to think of the favorite thing I sewed for myself. I don't know. No, that was this year. Crikey. I don't know. I'll tell you honestly that I can't really remember everything I sewed last year. Last year was kind of crazy. Anyway, so question number 2. What did you attempt in 2017 that you won't be doing next year, and why not? Let's see, what did I do? I don't think there was anything that I attempted that I wouldn't try again. That being said, I didn't try anything too crazy. I mean, I did jeans, but that's just really more of a fear as opposed to, like, you can't, you know what I mean? Like, you can do it. You just have to take your time and be careful. But you can do it. It's not like it was something crazy, like sewing with plastic wrap or something. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe trying not to put too much pressure on myself. I do tend to do that. I do tend to work myself up into a dither over, like, oh, I can't do that because I think it's too hard, which is silly because you should just try it. Number 3, what are you going to continue doing? I am going to continue to try and improve my skills. Improve my sewing skills, like my technical skills, and also try to improve my fit skills. Yeah. And yeah, that's it on that one. Let's see. Number 4. What are you going to try next year? I really want to get into shirt making for Jack and myself. Both of us love a good button down. And so I would really like to try to get in on that. I've already got one. McCall's 6044. I'll try to put a cutaway. For him, I've already got it cut out, and that's going to be like our practice, because it's kind of like it's not a like super great piece of fabric. I mean, it'll do in a pinch, but you know, I didn't spend a lot of money on it or anything, so if it doesn't work out, it won't be that much of a tragedy. But this way I can get it put together, get it on him, and see what it looks like and any tweaks that I may or may not need to make. Let's see. Number 5, where do you see your handmade wardrobe by the end of next year? What about in 5 years? Yeah, I don't think I don't think that far ahead. Next year, the end of this year. I would love to be able to have a predominantly me-made wardrobe. As some of you, if you follow me on Instagram, may know, I have started Weight Watchers because of some, I guess, genetic issues. I need to lose weight for my health sake. It's not about a number. It's not about, I'm too big or whatever. It's we have a heart condition in my family, so we have to lose weight. I have to lose weight if I want to stick around. So for that, you know, I'm going to be losing weight, so I will have to, you know, make some things. Already my pants are kind of starting to fall off, and Jack is like, you're going to have to buy some fabric to make some jeans, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, I would hope to have a predominantly me-made wardrobe. That being said, I don't need a ton of clothes. I mean, you know, we all need like certain occasion things, you know, something to wear to a funeral, something to wear to a wedding, something to wear to a night out, and everyday wear, you know, and like, I guess what I would say is like date night / church wear. So yeah, those kinds of things, and with maybe some hand knitted socks in there too. That would be awesome. 5 years. In 5 years' time, I don't know. Hopefully I'm still sewing, Lord willing. And yeah, maybe by then I'll have Jack all me-made wardrobe too. That would be kind of cool. Yeah, so I mean, that's all I got. I don't know that. I don't know if there's anybody else that hasn't been tagged. I'll tag Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles. I will. I don't know if there's anybody else that's been left out. If you're watching this and you haven't been tagged, tag you're it. You get to do it. So that's it for the 5, or I was going to say 5 questions. Bloop, wrong video. The New Year's resolutions. So, yeah, there we are. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.